Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate distinct count in an alternate way in Power BI. So my first card showing the distinct count. I will show the measure. Here we use a simple distinct count function, distinct count customer ID, and the alternate way is here we are using count rows or values. So values return one column table that contain the distinct value. So here comes the distinct value in one table, and count on function count the number of row in the specific table. So the both are give us a same number. And here is the pro tip: for large dataset plus 1 million row using count row and values may put less strain in text engine than distinct count. So count rows and value is a more optimized way to calculate the distinct count. Thank you.